Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a topic that's super crucial for your well-being, gut health. Yep, we're talking about the foods you should avoid to keep your gut happy and healthy. First off, let's chat about these are your chips, cookies, and ready-made meals. They're packed with artificial ingredients and preservatives that wreak havoc on your gut flora. Your gut loves natural, whole foods, so let's keep it happy with those instead. Next up, I know. We all have a sweet tooth, but consuming too much sugar can lead to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria in your gut. This imbalance can cause a host of issues like bloating, inflammation, and even mood swings. So think twice before grabbing that sugary snack. Now let's tackle. Many people think these are a healthier option, but studies show they can disrupt your gut microbiome. Ingredients like aspartame and sucralose can lead to digestive problems and even glucose intolerance over time. Stick to natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. Moving on to, not everyone is lactose intolerant, but many of us do have some difficulty digesting lactose. This can lead to gas, bloating, and discomfort. If you notice these symptoms after consuming dairy, it might be worth switching to lactose-free or plant-based alternatives. Don't forget about, while not everyone is sensitive to gluten, those who are can experience severe gut issues like inflammation and even damage to the intestinal lining. If you suspect gluten might be a problem for you, try an elimination diet to see how you feel without it. Lastly, let's talk about they're delicious, but they're also loaded with unhealthy fats that can slow down your digestion and cause stomach pain. Instead, opt for grilling or baking to keep both your taste buds and your gut happy. All right, that's a wrap on foods to avoid for a healthy gut. Remember, taking care of your gut is super important for your overall health. By making a few simple changes to your diet, you can feel better and live a healthier life. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Take care and stay healthy.